what's up? Thank you so much for watching Mostly Sane. I am Prajakta and I am back home. Oh my god, I feel so good. You guys, I cannot even... This calls for an entirely different Tuesday video to rant about everything that was awesome about my trip. How are you guys? Did you miss me? Did you miss me? I missed you too. Awesome, coming to today's video. Now, this could be a little controversial. Like, some of you are gonna be like, okay, fine, whatever. I don't care what you're saying. I know my city. I know all the roads. But the other half are gonna be like me, lost, even if you have to go from point A to point B every day while hemming. So let's get into it. You and me today are gonna be discussing why exactly Indians suck at directions. Let's go. Reason number one, refraining from asking directions. Easy as it sounds, if you are lost in a city, the best way to find your way back is by asking the locals there. But no! Have you been in a car with a man ever in your life? We do not have to ask anybody, alright? I come here all the time. I know this ice cream place. We are very close. Hi, what's with the fear? You're asking them for directions, not their daughter's hand in marriage. Chill. Reason number two is knowing directions when you do not know directions. Confused? Let me help you. Have you ever heard anyone in your life who drives say this to you? Arey, we are almost there. And then you drive around for like 2 more hours. But you know what? At this point of time, you have reached so deep into getting lost in your own thoughts that even if you ask people around you, that's not going to help your cause. Because 7 out of 10 people on the streets are going to be like, Pata nahi. I think it's there. But I'm not very sure it could be this way also. वो इधर से सीधा जाओ और सीधा जाके लेफ्ट लेंगे ना तो राजू टपरी वाला है. उसको पूछो, उसको पता है रास्ता. Okay, thank you. Also, there's this another entirely different species of people who will tell you trillion different roads. Like, हाँ इधर से भी जा सकते हो, उधर से भी जा सकते हो, उधर से भी जा सकते हो. जिधर खड़े हो वो भी वो है, उधर से भी जा सकते हो. And you don't want to get into that. You do not want to get into that. Take your car in the reverse gear and get the hell out of that place right now. Number 3 is GPS. Let's not even get started on that one. Okay, no, I think we should. Let's get started. It is so difficult. I do not remember roads. I can never be good at directions. I always get lost every time, okay? GPS is my life sometimes. And what does it do? It ditches me. It kicks me in my butt. 3 reasons why it's living hell. Number 1, accent. Okay. Thank God that the new update finally has an Indianized way of saying the names of the roads, which are basically Indian. How do you guess this? Turn left, then turn left to Saint Pat Marg. Second reason why GPS doesn't work that well for me sometimes is because I live in India and the data connection here is superb. So every now and then I'm just driving straight and then I realize, oh, GPS data connection lost and I am in, I don't know, Rajasthan now. Reason number 3 why it doesn't work for me is because GPS makes its own decisions. Okay, I don't think I'm ready for that kind of empowerment happening with my cell phone right there. I mean, if you tell me that you're going to make your own decisions by rerouting me to a route that has lesser tolls and lesser traffic without telling me, it's not going to work like that. Okay, I'm breaking up with you right now. We are over. Reason number 4 is our eternal love for shortcuts. I swear to God, half of India's population is stuck right now in some or the other gully nukkad in the country. Indians love their shortcuts. Although you know that the traffic on the highway might not be that bad, but still, if this shortcut is gonna like cost you 2 less minutes, then let's go via here and get stuck in a gully because it's narrow. And fathers especially have this out of the world logic that says मेरा बचपन गुजरा है इन गलियों में, मुझे हर गली पता है. अरे मैं यहाँ से हर रोज जाता हूँ. अरे हाँ मजा अप डाउन सा मार गए. So what? Number 5, street/road names. Unlike other countries, in India, a lot of roads have names, but none of us know the exact names of those roads. What happens basically is we have our own ways of addressing addresses. Wow. For example, you're not really going to say, hi, I'm waiting at the chalk near MG Road, which is connected to Jawaharlal Nehru. You're not going to do that. You're going to be like, हाँ मैं Snow Point के सामने खड़ी हूँ आजा. Because frankly, we don't even know half the street names. Who remembers these really long names? Okay, children, class dismissed for today. What did we learn? We learned reasons why we suck at directions. At least I know I do, and I know you do too. So let's just high five on that. If you like this video, give it a big fat thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Mostly Sane. I come up with new videos every Tuesday and every Thursday. By the way, I have a lot of vlog material, so look out for Penang vlogs coming over and over and over again in the coming weeks. I don't know where to share them. I hope you like them. Until we meet again, blah blah. Baby, right लेना है, right. अरे तुम, बट मेरा हाथ तो लेफ्ट बता रहा है ना, तुम्हारा ध्यान नहीं होता है मेरे पे. Do you